Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on your LENOVO Ideapad C340. If your laptop is currently on, please shut down it first and then plug in your USB drive into any of the USB ports. And once that's done, wait for additional 15 to 20 seconds before you turn it on, so you make sure that it's fully off, and then press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on the F12 key on your keyboard. So let's do that. Okay, now F12. If everything goes correctly, you'll see this screen, which is the boot manager, and use the arrows to select the USB drive. I think this or this one, it doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna select the first one option, like the first USB drive on the list. Click on enter and it'll boot from that. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.